Good morning, it's Joe, your friendly neighborhood Colorado special P car broker, and I'm at my favorite shop in Denver for Porsche service. It's Simply Euro in Castle Pines. We have a Graphite Blue Metallic 2017 Carrera Cabriolet. It's a second time customer. I actually helped him sell another Graphite Blue 991.2 Carrera Cabriolet. This one is very, very nice. A little more miles than the last one. I have no dings, dents, scratches, or anything to report. The whole front of the car to the windshield is PPF'd. You can see that the PPF has done its job here. I can feel this in the PPF, but because of that, the paint underneath should be really, really nice. 21 and 22 date codes on the tires. Not a ton of miles, it doesn't look like on these tires. The tread looks really, really good, front and rear. You can see that. Only wear items that I see. Front rotors have a little bit of lip on them. So I would say, not an urgent need or anything, but there is definitely a lip. So when it comes time to do the pads, I would plan on also doing the rotors on this car. The rear rotors are really, really good. The only exterior flaws that I've identified are this, and whether that's curb rash, it's probably just a little bit of curb rash rather than mounting issues. The rest of the wheels look good, but you can see this on the left rear wheel. And on the top, the fabric just on this side, the other side is just fine. You can see the outer layer of the stitching has come loose here. So I would probably address that with an upholstery shop. Other than that, not much to report. Inside the car, it does have power steering plus. It has the Graphite Blue Metallic trim here across the dash and the center console matching the outside, which is really nice. Bose stereo, 14-way seats, almost no wear on the seats. You see nothing on the seat bolster here. You can see just a little tiny bit, maybe something in a pocket rubbed against here. That could be touched up in about 30 seconds. Just a nice car. Look at the mileage though. 44,416 at this moment. This is higher than most of the cars that you see like this out on the market. Because of that, I think in the last year or so, we had a low boost fault. They did some investigation and decided to replace the turbochargers. So it has new turbochargers. At the same time, they did a water pump as well. There was a little bit of seeping from the water pump. I think these are things that are likely to come about as more of these cars get mileage on them. But because this car has a little more mileage, it's already been addressed. So very, very nice car. It's priced very, very aggressively. If you're interested, if you're in Colorado, if you'd like to see it, give me a call. My number is 720-382-6167. And I thank you again for watching.